Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to explain and show you how to create a header and a footer for your document. So let's go ahead and open up Word. So we've got a blank document now. The first thing we'll do is insert a header. So we'll come up to the Insert tab, slide over to the Header Footer area, click Header, and any of them work just fine. I'm going to go ahead and just select the first one, and three pieces of information you might want to put here. The first one is simply your team name. And you might want to put that in the center position, so I'm going to click the home key, take it back, and then click the tab key once. It automatically puts it in the center. On the right side, I'm going to hit the end key again, tab over, and it right aligns now, and simply put your project name. And you can reverse those, put the project name in the middle and the team name at the end. So, but it's your information about your project management final document in this case. One more thing that we want to put in, let's go back to the home key tab for a second, and let's go to the left align, and we're going to insert a logo now. A logo can be any kind of picture or graphic that you want, but obviously it has to be able to fit into the footer area. So what we'll do now is go back to the Insert tab. We're going to insert a piece of clip art now. So let's go to clip art. What I'm going to search for is a logo. So type in LOGO for logo, click go, and it'll search for any clip art that you have that can be used for a logo. A lot of different ones here. I'm going to use one. Scroll down just a little bit till I get to a nice looking graphic. There again, you can use anything that you want. I'm going to click this little symbol here, and obviously it put it in. It was very large, so you have to be able to resize this, but you want to resize it so that it keeps the same aspect ratio. In other words, the graphic does not get skewed. So what you do is you point to the top right of the graphic till your sizing handles come in as a diagonal arrow. Hold down the left mouse button, it turns into a cross. But to keep the same aspect ratio before you resize, you hold down the Shift key. So now I'm going to hold down the Shift key. Now I'm going to drag to the bottom left until it becomes fairly small. When you let go, I'm going to click out of the graphic, deselect it. So now you've got a small graphic there that'll be on every page, and it kind of identifies each page of your project now. There again, you can use any type of picture or graphic or clip art that you want here, but it should be sized so that it doesn't take up a lot of real estate. So let's I'm going to double click into the body of the document, and that's what your header is going to look like. Obviously you'll put your information in there according to your project. The next thing we're going to do, we need a place to put our page numbers. You could have put it in the header, but I would like to have your team name, project name, and a small logo there, so it's going to take up a little bit of space if you put it there. So we're going to go ahead and put in a footer now. So there again, go to the Insert tab, over to the Header Footer area, click Footer. You could use about any of these, but there's one predefined that automatically has a page number included, and that's the annual, and that's a page number with text. So when you click that, it puts in the page number at the bottom of the page. I'm going to double click into the main document. So there's our header, and there's our footer with a page number. To make sure it works, we're going to go ahead and create a new page. The easiest way to do that is come up to the Insert menu and put in a page break. So now we have two pages on this second page. There again is your header, and it automatically put in your page number then. So that's how to create a header and footer for your project management final document. Talk to you later.